I am a warrior. Today I choose greatness. Every champion was once a beginner who refused to give up, and I am writing my legend one training session at a time. I carry the spirit of ancient warriors, the wisdom of my crew, and the fire of unbreakable determination. This is my daily ritual, my sacred preparation. I speak these truths into existence because I am becoming exactly what I believe I can be. My left kick is a sword forged in discipline. My right kick is an axe sharpened by repetition. Today, like every day, I throw each technique 500 times. I feel my shins transforming into iron posts with every impact. Pain is temporary, but the strength I build is permanent. My legs are truth tellers, and they speak only of power and precision. My jab is lightning captured in human form. With each throw, I paint the air with intention. This jab measures my distance, breaks my opponent's rhythm, and opens the door to every combination I've perfected. I see it connecting before I throw it. Clean, sharp, purposeful. In the clinch, I become a chess master of violence. My hands know the plumb position like they know my own heartbeat. Underhooks, arm drags, neck control. These are my tools of dominance. When I grip the neck, I grip victory itself. Every position tells a story, and I am the author of triumph. The teep is my shield when I need protection, my spear when I need distance. I feel it launching from my core, perfectly timed, perfectly placed. Distance is life in this ancient art, and I control every inch of space between myself and my opponent. I breathe through my nose, like the warrior monks of old. Even when blood flows, even when pressure mounts, my breathing remains controlled and powerful. Mouth breathers fade, but I endure. My breath is rocket fuel for the champion's engine that never stops running. I embrace every moment of suffering in training because I know the secret. Champions are not born in comfort. When my body screams to quit, I give it 10 more. When my mind says impossible, I whisper, watch me. The furnace of discomfort is where ordinary fighters melt and champions are forged. I am being forged. My defeats are my greatest teachers. I study them with the hunger of a scholar, mining pure gold from temporary setbacks. Every mistake reveals a pathway to perfection. I watch myself with loving but ruthless eyes because champions are made in the analysis, not just in the action. I meditate daily, sharpening my mental blade to razor precision. 5 minutes of stillness builds unshakable focus for the storm of combat. This is not weakness. This is the preparation of a warrior who understands that the mind leads, the body follows. My elbows are surgical instruments. Spinning elbows, upward slices, horizontal cuts. Each one thrown with the precision of a master craftsman. When fists cannot reach, my elbows find their target like heat-seeking missiles. My footwork is pure poetry in motion. I dance like a ghost when I need to disappear, plant like an ancient tree when I need to deliver power. I move my head, shift my body, always being where my opponent doesn't expect. Unpredictability is my middle name. I am the master of the counterattack. I let my opponent commit to their mistake, then I punish their intention with surgical precision. The fighter who strikes second often strikes last, and I have the patience of a predator, waiting for the perfect moment. My neck is steel cable wrapped in human skin. I train it like my life depends on it, because in the ring, it does. A strong neck absorbs what would crumble others. My head movement flows from this foundation of unbreakable strength. I show nothing to my opponents, no pain, no fatigue, no fear. My face is a mask of calm determination. They can hit my body, but they cannot touch my spirit. My poker face is armor forged in the fires of countless training sessions. I sleep like a monk, deep, purposeful, restorative. I eat like a warrior, clean, powerful, intentional. My recovery determines my peak performance. 8 hours of rest builds more champions than 8 hours of training, and I honor both with equal devotion. I approach my weight cutting like a scientist, conducting the most important experiment of my life. My body, at fighting weight, is a precision instrument, not a starved animal. I feed this magnificent machine exactly what it needs for optimal performance. I drill my combinations until they live in my muscle memory. When exhaustion clouds my thinking mind, my body performs the sacred dance by heart. My hands and feet know their choreography better than I know my own name. I respect every sparring partner as my teacher and my gift. Every round with them sharpens me like iron sharpening iron. Through mutual respect and controlled violence, we build each other into the warriors we're meant to become. Every morning, I see my victory with crystal clarity. I watch myself calm under pressure, precise under chaos. I feel the referee raising my hand. I hear the crowd roaring my name. I smell the victory, taste it, live it before it happens. My mind wins every fight before my body steps into the ring. I honor the ancient ways while embracing cutting-edge knowledge. Traditional techniques are my unshakable foundation. Modern training science is my performance enhancer. I am a bridge between the wisdom of the past and the innovation of the future. I remember exactly why I began this journey. In the deepest moments of pain and doubt, when everything hurts and nothing seems possible, my purpose becomes my wings. I carry the dreams of everyone who believed in me, and I will not let them down. Today, I walk the path of the undefeated. These truths live in my bones, flow in my blood, and guide every decision I make. I am not just training my body, I am transforming my entire existence into the embodiment of championship mindset. The warrior's journey continues, and I am exactly where I need to be. Unbreakable, unstoppable, undefeated.